First of all, come to Gemini, keep it on the create image, select the thinking and head back here. I have made 9 Nano Banana Pro prompt for this video and it's going to be available in the Telegram community. The Telegram community link is made available in the description. So the first prompt. Now most of this prompt requires a reference image. And I have a reference image I'm going to be using for this. You can use the one you want to use. Okay, this is my reference image over here, guys. So once I've uploaded that, I will smash on it, and within a few seconds, Nano Banana Pro starts generating our image for us. And here we go. We have a action-packed zombie apocalypse cinematic scene of the character reference I uploaded in a chaotic scene. Now you can see the lightning and the color grading, motions into this, and the action-packed energy into this, guys. This can only be done by the Nano Banana thinking engine, guys. We are going to the next prompt. Now this video was made basically on popular demand, so I'm making this video as a thank you to the 100 subscribers on our Telegram community that we just gained. This, I really want to appreciate you all for turning up for me. I really appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. And bingo. Now this still represents another zombie apocalypse scene on a road where there's a zombie outbreak and the character reference image is fighting for survival. Now guys, these are the type of images that you see being used for animation and creating movies, guys. Like I said, before you get a proper movie scene, you need a good image, a good static image before everything is directed and executed as a movie. Moving on to the prompt 3, copy this prompt, paste your prompt 3 over here. Now upload a reference image, then smash. Within a few seconds, Nano Banana Pro start creating image for you. Okay guys, so we have another action-packed cinematic scene of a warlord coming out of chaotic air and chaotic smoke, walking on rocks with fire, somehow like a volcanic stuff, guys. You can see our reference image is kept now. Nano Banana Pro thinking engine keep all the technical analysis and the technical checks intact to give us that cinematic result and the perfect lighting, grading, angles, and everything to match exactly what we want. So let us head out to prompt 4. This is our prompt 4, our reference image, smash it, and let us see, guys. So I am not going to be wasting much time on prompts because you already know the method. Now our next video is gonna be something very epic and we'll get into full technical directive and how to direct cinematic movies and bingo. Now this is another high cinematic video looking like more like a 3D poster or a 3D movie scene, but this is just super nice. Now this is actually a warlord that just finished from battle, coming out and looking back fearlessly. Now if you notice, these are the type of images that I use for our movie posters or are even in real movies, guys. So let's try pasting our prompt now without uploading reference image and see if Nano Banana Pro was able to cache the reference image uploaded earlier and use it on this exact prompt. And yeah, it did. Nano Banana Pro was able to capture our reference image using the thinking model and gave us this amazing Lamborghini slash our reference image looking right here, guys, and this is super nice. Now you can use that opportunity to place yourself next to a Lambo. Now moving on to the prompt 6, I will still upload another reference image. Let me see how Nano Banana Pro hold consistency. I will hit it to its limit and see what the thinking engine can do. And here we go. So this is more like a movie, a crime boss in a city where there are money, gold, their guards, their military guard all over. And yeah, Nano Banana Pro was still able to keep our reference image without giving it a original reference image, guys. So this is to show that the thinking engine has the capabilities of having image stored in its memory within some time. But I believe if we do this constantly, it might drift. So let us go on prompt 7. Let me upload the reference image now for this one so it doesn't drift off badly. Now within few seconds, Nano Banana Pro will generate our image. And here we go. Now we just created a lifestyle inspired 3D harmony of a man in a pool with fruit on the tray. You can see a yard. Now you can see the lightning, the sun rays, the palm frost, and the whole stuff is more of beautiful nature type of stuff, guys. So Nano Banana Pro can generate this for you even on the fast thinking model. Moving up to, okay, we paste our age prompt over here and we still use it without a reference image. So we just reminded Nano Banana Pro with a reference image on the prompt 7. So let us see if you can maintain that on the prompt 8 as well, and prompt 9, which is obviously the last prompt for today. So you can see Nano Banana Pro was able to log the consistency, identity, that is the DNA, and it gave us a highly detailed cinematic one. I personally love this a lot because this is more like a movie I have already imagined in my head already. You can see the wolf standing behind with lightning in his eyes. You can see the gun pointing, and you can see our character's face, body physics, everything is 100% on point, guys. So yeah, another pro this. Now let us head on with the last prompt of the day, which is a prompt 9. Let us copy this. Okay, so head back. I'm not going to upload another reference image. I'm still going to depend on that and see if Nano Banana Pro can execute this prompt using the reference I uploaded earlier. And yeah, it did not disappoint me. It got the consistency, the character identity log properly, and it gave us an entire different scene, entire different action, but with the same reference image, the same consistency, the same face lock, guys. So yeah, we got our full 9 prompts ready, and this particular one, it was another scene of a wolf again with another car, another outfit using a gun, more of military scene and something, guys. So this is basically all for today. I have all the 9 prompts shared to our Telegram community, and our Telegram community link is made available in the description or the comment. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment.